Something is coming. Something big.
Alright, July 1st, me and Lillian, we're going fishing! Alright, I didn't even get the rod in the water and we hooked up. Don't pull like that, just reel. Good job.
Thank you.
All right, we didn't even get the rod halfway in the water. 1 for 1. All right, we got another one. Lily is reeling it in. Woo! Bring him home, Lily. All right, she's doing it. It's our second fish already. We just got out here. All right, we finally got all set up. We are 2 for 2. We got 2 fish right away. All right, fish number 3. This one seems a little bigger. All right, high five.
What do I do?
All right, we went a long time without a fish. Lily's got it. Lily, you got it. You got it. Get it. Don't let the rod go in the water. All right, we doubled up. Oh, he's flashing. He's crazy. Let's go! Let's go! All right, we just went to the same spot again. This is our 4th fish in this pass in 85 foot of water. Lily's getting it good. Nice fish, Lily! Nice one! This is bonkers! We just got another one! Haven't even put the other rod out yet! This is bonkers! Okay. Reel him in.
Wrapping it. So we got 8 fish and we need 2 more. We're trying to get over a 13-pounder.
Alright.
Today's doing good. If you saw earlier in the video, the sunrise was very, very beautiful.
Alright, so we need 2 more. It's 9 a.m. So we've had a pretty good morning. And let's see if we can get 2 more to get our limit.
Yeah.
Here! Fishy, 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 fishy! Fish, where are you?
Hello.
Where are you, fish? We only need 2 more. Fish! Hold on. Alright, you know any jokes?
What did the Dalmatian say after he ate a snack?
What?
That hit the spot.
Oh!
What do you call a bear without any teeth?
What?
A gummy bear.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Good job. What was your favorite part of the whole trip?
My favorite part of the whole trip was when we caught the biggest fish.
All right, Madeline, we're going fishing for the first time. What are we gonna catch?
A big salmon fish.
All right. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Super excited?
Yeah.
All right, we're all set up.
We're all set up.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
All right, me and Madeline, we hooked up. Madeline, look at the camera. We got a nice one. He's screaming. See him jumping way out there? Oh, did he just get off?
No.
He did. Hold on. What happened?
The fish got away.
Ah.
Hi, today we are cruising out and we're gonna stay here, but not as long as last time.
What are we fishing for?
King salmon.
All right, we doubled up. Just don't let go of that rod. Me and Lillian doubled up. And she's got a giant on. And my fish is pretty dead. So I'm gonna get mine first. Is mine over? Okay, no, lower your rod. I'm gonna get mine first. Here, go get the net and I'll hold this. Quick. Here, hand me the other way. I need the handle first.
It's cold.
Okay, your fish is really big. Okay, I need help. Come on.
It's stuck under.
Come on. Okay, lift it up higher net. Okay, take this one that's screaming.
I got it.
No, both hands. Big fish.
I got
Up high, where my hand is. Okay, I'm gonna net mine, and then you're gonna get yours. Yours is huge.
It is. Oh God.
Don't let go of that rod. Oh, yeah. All right, Dad's fish is in the boat. Lillian, I saw yours, and it is a monster, okay?
Okay.
There you go. Okay, hopefully we don't get another one. We've been fighting it for a long time, and he is pulling hard. Me and Lillian, we thought he was in the 10 color, and he's not in the 10 color. Hey, he's a big giant. Lillian, he's a big giant! Yeah, you're doing good. It is a really big one. Holy crap. Yeah! Got him! All right, Lil, what just happened?
So we hooked up on a 6-pounder, and we had 2 rods going off, and then the next rod a 20-pounder went off, which was huge, and I can barely even.
All right, we hooked up again. We went to this big old bait ball and immediately hooked up.
Anything.
Oh, he got off. Where is going? Okay, you're gonna reel this one in. Don't let go of this rod, okay? This is chaos. Oh, look at all the bait. Okay, holding tight. All right, we're on the meat rig now. We lost that last fish. Immediately got a bite. The bait out here is insane right now. Hold your rod up high. All right, he's just a little guy. Holy crap, we just hooked up again.
I've seen the front stairs.
Hey, we were clearing rods and guess what? We're out again. Billion on the rod. We got a beautiful sunset. We're gonna end the day with another fish. Yep. I got him. Yeah. That's a good one. Good job, Lily.
We are out of here. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.